Last chance to plug your ears. Still here? Okay, cool. I hope you all packed your coats, because things are getting a little chilly up in Westeros. Season 8, Episode 1, Winterfell. The home of the Starks is finally back under the control of the family who built it. But danger lurks in the north and south as the Night King and Cersei march their forces to crush our heroes. After nearly a year off, the premiere does a good job of reminding the audience of just exactly who is where, what the stakes are, and who's trying to betray who. Heavy with the foreshadowing, some conflicts return from the past season expectedly. Others are new and present a heartbreaking plot, all of which will undoubtedly have epic conclusions. Now, I was disappointed in the lack of Tyrion and Brienne of Tarth, but given the sheer size and scope of the show, I have no doubt they'll be center stage this weekend. Unfortunately, just as we're getting comfortable being back in Westeros, we're violently thrown into the end credits. Moments before a long-awaited reunion and just... Is it Sunday yet? Only 4 more days until episode 2. So until then, in the words of House APN, back to you guys in the studio.